Hello, it's Rusty here, and we are going to be making, as you could see in the title of the video, a redstone combination lock using 12 levers. This contraption, even though it looks complicated, is simple. So let's build it. So first thing you will need is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hole. So let's go build this over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 7th block's over there. So you just mine out this ring, and then break out these blocks in the center. And this is where all the AND gates that funnel down into one output are going to be going. So definitely a lot of blocks. And I'm sorry if this watching me break blocks is too boring. Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to do like cutscenes. I might just do that in the editing. We'll see. Anywho. Now that you got that all broken, you have to build a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Build 5 up at a block over from the hole. And you also want to build 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks back from the hole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. And now that you have the height, you're going to need the width. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So build 12 more blocks over, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Looks good. And then just bring this down, build this over, fill this all in with sandstone. With whatever block you're using. You could use cobblestone, but since this matches my redstone world, this is what I'm going to be using. And also note that you can cover up whatever you would like in that hole. Just to remember that redstone can go down through slabs. I use this mechanic here. Yeah. Now you place 12 levers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What did I mess up? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so my mistake. You have to build this over 13 more blocks. Okay, so now it's time you start placing repeaters, and place your sandstone slabs along like this, and then put repeaters on every one. I just like to spam them and then fill in the gaps. Okay, and once you get that done, time to start hooking up the first AND gates. Now you're going to want, ooh, don't do that. One here, one here, and 7 blocks over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then place redstone torches on these ones, I believe. No. Nope. I did it wrong. Okay. Should be on this one, this one, this one, this one. Perfect. Now you place repeaters on these, and then redstone between the torches. And then you also will place another AND gate here. Cool, now we got that done. You need to add in part of the mechanism that keeps this from opening if you flip any extra switches. Okay? So put blocks here, torches like this. I always forget what that looks like. I kind of built the spite here. Anyway. Yeah, I'm trying to redo it. Okay, so you got these outputs. You want to, I just like use these chiseled sandstones. You want to take this output from this from these torches, and just run these over to these guys. Now, as you will notice, when I flip this switch, that turns on and will deactivate. Should deactivate the AND gate. And also, since I don't have any switches flipped, I should flip the switches. I think that's the combination. I've got that, and also this one. And, that goes like that. And deactivate this one. This is the combination. I just like to have that in so I can show you. When the moment you flip or unflip an extra switch, one of the AND gates turns off and then the whole thing shuts down. Which one did I flip? I flipped this one. Okay, so time to start running some redstone. Okay, so I don't know why I have that there. Anyway, you don't need these slabs, by the way. Now you just start building these. Why is this on? Why? What? Is it because one of the switches isn't flipped? Yes, that's why. Okay. So now I will place redstone dust on underneath each of these, and this one you put a repeater on it. Okay. Now this one over here is kind of confusing though. Pretty sure I can just do that, but then this block will interact with this redstone, so you can just put a dip in the ground. Then this power block right here won't interact with it. Okay, so this one come all the way over here, and then this is the power block, so you want that to be none, and then put a repeater output on that. Now you're gonna have to build some redstone steps, like to bring them down into the ground, and I'm going to use smooth sandstone here. Okay, just like this. Also, if you would like to see the channel that inspired my entire channel, you should see Mumbo Jumbo. He is the person that taught me, that I've watched to teach me gates. And I'm hoping as this channel gets bigger, hopefully I'll be able to do a collab with Mumbo. Let me know what that if that sounds good. Okay, so now put blocks on the repeaters. Yes, and did I put these too far back? No. Why is this like this then? I don't know. Just do this. I might have gotten the whole dimensions wrong, or maybe like I placed it one too far over, but that doesn't really matter, does it? So you're gonna have to run this down here and this down here. I think these come off like this. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll have to bring this over one more block. That's fine. And just place blocks on these repeaters so they power this redstone. And this is just so it'll look a little bit nicer when you build a wall. Now I couldn't really get these to do that, so just use slabs. Or you know you can move the cover a bit forward. I don't know. Then you can run these down here and these. Run this and this. So let's check over here, see if I'm doing it right. Yes, I am. And then you take chiseled sandstone or whatever block you're using for the inside of the contraption. Make an AND gate on each of these. Okay, looking good. I wonder. I know, it's gonna deactivate. I just wanted to check that. Now you're going to want to build a little thing like this. I believe this is where the AND gate was at. This is going to be what I like to call the master AND gate. I don't know, let me know. Master AND gate sound like a good name for this? Let me know in the comments section. Okay? Then build up like this. And you're done. You can have this output to whatever kind of door or any other mechanism you may want. I just used a flesh piston door. I will probably do a video on this. Pretty simple. This input's just supposed to be like that, just especially for this door. I don't know. I will probably do a separate video on the flesh piston door. Tell me in the comments if you would like me to do another video on how to add the flesh piston door to this mechanism. And I'll see you next time with another redstone contraption. Bye bye.